Hello, my dear fellow day traders. Welcome to 26th February 2019's pre-open analysis. Today, SGX Nifty is showing 31.5 points down move, and US markets have done pretty okay for itself. 60 points up on DowJones and 26 points up on Nasdaq. 3.44 points up on S&P. So, seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in flat to green in today's pre-open and open session. Let's see what Indian markets have to offer. So in the market today, there is a possible small downturn possible, or the market may go upwards from here onwards without touching the level of 10,880, because 10,880 is a very strong resistance for the market. Indian markets could not bar it, and now at the level of 10,880 itself, where it is a very strong resistance for the market, Indian markets are supposed to go rightly up from here or come down a bit in order to take support and then go upwards. That's what Indian markets is supposed to do from here onwards usually. And SGX Nifty is actually showing 31.5 points down move. So that's an indication that technical analysis actually finds its reasons just to fall from the levels of technical analysis resistances. So whenever there is a resistance, it usually finds a reason to fall down, and that's what probably may happen today. Fast stochastic and slow stochastic is denoting we are not in a overbought zone nor in a oversold zone. We may see the market going up or down, does not matter. However, there is a possibility that we may go down from here because there is a huge resistance at 10,880 level. So let's see what Indian markets is poised to do in today's session. And MACD is showing a slightly negative stance. There is not much of momentum in the market is what MACD is denoting. Let's hope that Indian markets is supposed to go in green in today's session. What are the supports and resistances we had to watch out for? The first level of support comes at the level of 10,850, 10,807, 10,770, 10,750, 10,707, 10,672 levels are the levels of support we had to watch out. What are the resistances we have to watch out for? The levels of resistances are 10,880, of course, is a very strong resistance. If that is barred, the next level is 10,900, 10,926, 10,936, 10,950, 11,000, 11,087 are the levels of resistances we have to watch out for in today's session. So that being said, that's the technical analysis for today. I will teach you in upcoming session, that is on Saturday and Sunday. I will teach you 5 strategies which actually gives you 3 to 15% return on a monthly basis on a guaranteed scale. So that is what I will be teaching in non-directional trading strategies by just trading in 15 minutes per day. If you want all that knowledge about how to make 3 to 15%, click on the first link in the description below, and there is a session happening on Saturday and Sunday in 91 Springboards, Residency Road, Bangalore. That being said, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.